Who pays medical bills in a car accident? Florida no-fault law says it doesn't matter whose fault in an automobile accident, your own insurance company pays for your medical bills. That is Florida no-fault law. But now let's talk about practicalities. Many clients come to me and say, I don't want my insurance company paying for my medical bills because my rates are going to go up. Let me go through my health insurance. No. That's not the way the law works. And you're not saving anything on your insurance with your own company either. The way it works is your PIP, personal injury protection, pays your medical bills. They then have a right of what we call subrogation. So whatever they paid out on your behalf, they're going to be able to go against the other person's insurance company and have them reimburse them for the money that they paid out for you. So your rate should not go up because they have a way of getting reimbursed for what they pay out. In addition to that, you don't want your health insurance paying out instead of your PIP, because at the end of the case, your health insurance is going to have their own subrogation rights against you. PIP does not have subrogation rights. So whatever they paid out on your behalf, they can't collect back from you. But your health insurance, if you receive money from the other party, the health insurance is then going to go ahead and say, we want reimbursement because we paid out medical bills on your behalf. So you want your no-fault insurance to pay. You don't want your health insurance to kick in until later so that you can keep your subrogation from your health insurance as low as possible. In addition to that, keep in mind that doctors often, if they know the attorney that's representing you, will see you on what's called a letter of protection. So even if you don't have PIP or health insurance, you can still get medical care if you go to the right attorney who knows the right doctors who are going to understand that it's a long game here and that they will go ahead and treat you. At the end of the case, the attorney will then pick up the phone and speak to your doctor and say, listen, here's what the client received, and let's do an equitable distribution here of how much the client receives and how much you'll accept as payment for your medical bill. So the ways to work out the medical liens from your doctors, as long as you have a good relationship with your attorney and the health providers that you work with, they'll come to an equitable agreement in regards to how much to reduce their bills in order to make sure that everybody walks away with a fair share. So priority number one, you want your PIP to pay. Number two, if there's no PIP, then of course health insurance, but keep in mind health insurance is going to have subrogation rights, and that's going to be dollar for dollar out of your pocket at the end of your case. If all else fails, we go ahead and sign letters of protection. Your doctor then is contacted by your attorney at the end of the case, and they work out an agreement of how much is fair in order to resolve your case equitably for all involved.